two ways I quilt. I don't do that much more. I don't do quilting on my domestic machine very often, but I've got a quilt on my long arm at the moment I'm in the process of doing, and I want to get this done so it could go on the wall, and it's only a small-ish wall hanging. So now, just go for it. I am guilty of going too far out of the distance of my hands, because you make like a picture frame around it and work in that area, and I do have a tendency of taking it too far out, but you have the better control. As you do with all quilting on a domestic machine, keep readjusting. You don't want the rest of the quilt to fall over the edge of your table, because that's going to pull on it. So we just carry on, and you can go in any direction as you've seen. You can also go with any speed you want. This machine has a speed dial on it, and I can't get used to it. It's a foot control I always used to use as my speed control. Does hurt my arms. I didn't normally wear gloves, quilting gloves, but I find I have to with this machine, because I feel as though I'm pushing and pulling more, so it's very, very strenuous on my elbows. But then again, my pseudogout has got worse, and it's in now basically in every joint in my body, so that's possibly another reason. So I'm just going to carry on and finish this off. I've done it again. I've gone out of me hand grip. Get back up there now. Oh, 3/4 squares done. One left to go. Another way I quilt is with my Unique 15R on the Q-Zone hoop frame, and I tend to do just large quilts on this, but I'm improving. This is just for me, so I don't mind, but it may appear a bit awkward at times because I'm sort of had to be ambidextrous because my stroke affecting my right hand. So I do use it at times, depends on how well it's feeling. I'll do that one in a minute. But I can start anywhere I like in the quilt. Because I first learnt how to Freemason quilt on the sewing machine, domestic sewing machine, you tend to start in the middle of the quilt and work your way out. And on this hoop frame, I can do that. This is also so I can test out my new mic for the camera. Whoops. Yeah, hand's not up to it today. Although I have done a few hours of it already. It's a bit quicker than on a domestic machine. And you don't have as much mauling it around. And this Unique 15R has a stitch regulator. Which I haven't got for my sewing machines. No, I'll come out here. So I'm still learning how to use this. I do have a ruler base on here, so I can use rulers. because I'm doing this like several weeks go by in between me doing some and then I do something else and I have to get back into doing this. But this is for me and this is a practice, so it doesn't matter. I need that one doing. Let me do that. Yeah, try and work out the best way for me to quilt, so the less times I break thread. But I'm just going to carry on now. Where's my ruler? There. Where to now? Don't know how well it will make this out, but this is where I am so far. Bye!
It's a